How to use Pinterest app. Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Pinterest app and what it is about and what are some features that you need to know about. So let's get into it. First of all, what you need to do is you have to open your app store and download and install Pinterest. After that, you can see your Pinterest in your phone apps. You have to open that, and here you can see you have your Pinterest application open for you. This is basically your home, and you're going to see all the ideas and the posts that you have recently visited and related to those are going to be here. So basically on Pinterest you get different ideas related to anything, like it gets you different posts by different people shared, like there can be poetry, it can be about fitness, it can be about health, it can be about living, it can be about recipes and everything. So like there are a lot of things on Pinterest that you can check out. So first of all, if you want to search for something specific, you have these icons on the bottom of your screen. From home, switch to this search icon, the magnifying glass, and search for anything that you want to have. Like if you have any idea in your mind that you want to search for, if you have anything that you need to know or find, you can just go on and search that here. After that, you have another option of this mobile, this message icon. Just click on that, and here you can find your messages. Like if someone has messaged you, it's going to be here in your inbox, and this is basically your update. All the notifications of your recent, if you have followed different boards, if you have followed different people, all the updates are going to be here, like check this idea and created an idea or something like that. After that, there is an option of your profile on the other side. Here you can see this is my profile. I have one follower and I'm following six people. So if you like someone's ideas, like if you like a person's post that much, you can just go on and follow them, and whenever that person posts again, they are going to be in your home on your feed at first. And this is basically your boards. You can create different boards for yourself. These are all the pins that you like. You can create different collections. Board is basically a collection of pins. Like for example, if I go into my home and this is the pin that I like this is some kind of poetry that I want to save for later, like I want to see it later, just go on and click on the save option, and this is going to basically ask you in which board you want to save it. So I'm just going to save it in poetry quotes, but if you want, you can just go on and create another board for yourself from this option right here. Just go on, and I'm going to save it in poetry quotes, and as you can see, save to poetry quotes. So this is how basically you use Pinterest. It's very simple and it's also very amazing. So go on and check it out, and I hope you found this video helpful. Please give this a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take good care, and bye bye.